Hi friends, Naji here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are continuing a discussion on n8n, and in this video we will be discussing on two nodes. So one is the filter node and other is the if node. So we'll see at what situation we will use the filter node and at what situation we will use the if node. So let's start with a manual trigger. So this is my new workflow. So let me go and select a manual trigger. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect it with a Google Sheet. Okay, then we will list out the data in the Google Sheet. Okay, so for that let me click on this node here. I can search for Google Sheet. Okay, so this is my Google Sheet and I want to get all rows from the sheet, and I have created a Google Sheet account here, which is already connected. So in my last two videos, so I have showed like how to connect with the Google Sheet, and I will attach those videos to the comment box. So if you are first time watching this video, please have a look on those videos also. Okay, so from the list what I can do, I can select a Google Sheet. So this is the Google Sheet that I am going to use, n8n code, and let me select the sheet name. So there is only one sheet is there. Okay, so let me execute it. Okay. Here we can see there are few code I can see. So here we can see a item, then there will be a price will be there. Okay. So this is my sheet. Okay, so there are total 7 items are there. So what I am going to do, I am going to filter out few items whose price is greater than 10. For that what I can do, I can go and search for the filter. So this is the filter. Here I can select the price. Okay, so this is the price and there are few options are there. Okay, so let's click on it. So there are string is there. If it is string, I can do a few operations like exist, does not exist, is empty, like that. And if it is number, the same way there is few options are there like equal to, not equal to, empty, less than, greater than or equal to. And date and time we can have a different options, and if it is a boolean there is a different options. If it is array and object, there are different options are there. So in our case the price is a number, so I'm going to select the number, and what I am going to see like is greater than. Okay, and is greater than 10. So I want to list out all the items whose price is greater than 10. So let's execute it. Okay, so it's working fine. I can execute everything. So in the Google Sheet we can see 7 items are there, and after the filter we can only see the 5 items. So let's click on this here. We can see 5 items. All the price of these items are greater than 10. So the filter is working exactly fine. So I believe you understood the purpose of this node. So this node will help us to filter out few things. Okay. Now next notice that we are going to see is the if node. For that let me go and create a new workflow. I can go back and create a new workflow. Here I can quickly go and connect to the Google Sheet. Okay. So here we have the Google Sheet, and I can select all the rows, go and select n8n code and go and select sheet 1. So we have the 8 rows are there. We are good. So the items are 7 items. Now what we need to select the if node. So let's go and select a if node, then connect it with the node. Okay, so in the if node there are 2 options are there, 2 outputs are there, true and the false. If condition is true or condition is success, it will come in the true node or true part, and if it is false it will come to the false part. So we can do 2 actions. So if the action is success, I can run a path here. Okay, so if the action is false, I can do another path, I can follow another path. So let's click on this. I can do the same process here. Go and select the price, go to number, and it is greater than, set it to 10. Execute it. Okay, it's working. Now let me execute the entire workflow. Here we can see total items are 7 and there are 5 items which is satisfy this particular condition, and there are 2 items which fail for this particular condition. Okay, so here what I can do, maybe these items are failing, I can do a no operation or do nothing. Okay, so I can run this operation, and if it is success, maybe I can run another path. Maybe I can save this into another Google Sheet, or I can save into a database, or I can run another workflow, maybe do some kind of any operations based on this particular 5 records. Okay, so that is a basic difference between the filter and the if node. So filter, which will filter out only based on the criteria, and we will get only the success records. And if it is a if node, we will have a both conditions will be there. We will have a success path will be there, and we will have a failure path. Failure path is also available. So based on our use cases, we can select filter or the if. So that's it. That's all about in this video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.